Hi everyone, I'm back, Aaron, and previously we made this, which is out of the dishwashing tablet, see? And also, I already had a head start with the yellow colour. I'll pop in it and put it into one glass of water. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to do. All these colours pop open and put these in these different glasses. So the yellow one doesn't seem too good, just yellow, as you can see. Now the next with the other colour, which is going to be blue. I'm going to pop it open with the stick. If I can. Don't try this at home as well, please. Just a warning, guys, fellas. Doesn't look like too well. God, come on. Should be coming out, but it's not. That's all the blue here then. Which you can barely see any. On to the green one, which is here. I now have to pop that bad boy open, which is actually easier than the other colours. I broke the stick. Nope. The total fail video. So I think that's it today, guys. The total fail. Maybe next time work out. So bye for now.